Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is Monday's market, March 14th, and this is the pre-market here for the S&P 500 E-mini. Just identifying the turning points here for this market. I've done this in many of the other videos, and just going to continue to do more of the same. These areas right here are just signals generated by a custom indicator. It's just helping with timing, and this is by any means not the trading method, but you can see entering at these spots could produce you a point and a half, just even in this choppy trading, and a lot more when you get into a trending type of a market. You can just see those are all really spot on. The key is seeing these trades ahead of time and knowing what will happen once price hits these holes here that I'm marking out. What is the next likely outcome? And something like that, an entry in that hole, the next likely outcome is a drop. In here, the likely outcome is a move up. And these over here are secondary trades in here where it pulls up into the white neutral area and then reemerges back down into showing that signal there. So those are all corresponding to that there. You wouldn't need that many of those trades to make a healthy daily goal in the market. Again, now I wouldn't be saying that I'm going to be taking that I would take all of those trades, and or I wouldn't say which trades are better than others, because some definitely are better than others according to my trading method. But these areas right here can help you with timing, and it's just one small area. I mean, timing is a very big part of trading. It's knowing when to get in and when to get out. But you can see I must have circled about, I don't know, 15 or 20 of those already. A bunch in the pre-market and a bunch here now while the market is trading. So still staying with the same theme, you can just see that all of those areas do produce some form of nice movement where you could have made at least a profit. A lot of times I'll trade scalp trading. I'll trade for a minimum of about a point at a minimum, and many times once the market is moving the way it typically does or trending, you can capture a whole lot more. But it just depends on the market, not so much what you want. So there's some small moves in here. The market has just come down from this big high area and it's starting to bottom, so this is a bit of a choppy area. And that's also pretty typical for the market to do that. Once you do get a big drop or a big rise, a lot of times at the bottom or the tops of that move, you'll see some indecision, some consolidation. It's a good time to change up your strategy and go for short moves. But anyway, that's what that is there. Let's see. Here, this was one of my first trades. It was a 1 point loss. You can see my timing as far as the indicator was not good. If I was using the indicator to help me with timing, I wouldn't have taken that trade, but that's just the way it goes. So this was better trade short. You can see how it matches up with this in here. Scaled out of that trade and went long right in here for about 5 or 6 ticks. See, 6, I think 6 and 7 ticks in here, and then scaled out the rest over here. I could see this was going to come back, and I didn't want to give this portion or put this at risk. Okay, and I was doing a video right here. I did identify that this area was a break of this area was going to send the market much higher overall for the rest of the day, and I came in late. The right entry would have been right there, and or that where that next yellow line is, right here, and or right there. But coming in up here posed a little bit more risk, and I did have to move my stop down just a few more ticks. This little area also corresponds with this in here, but you can see this little spot here was a retracement back, and that was somewhat expected. I was still following this then and had one contract that I held over. I was trying to hold this contract for up into this area up here and added on in here, got stopped out on these small one contract add-ons, but then re-entered right in here for 1 and 2 points to close out the day for a pretty nice day. So